Hey everybody, it's Eddie with National Billiard Academy. I'm here with Keith Watley, Chris Reiser, members of our team. We're here at a new host facility in Jacksonville, North Carolina. We also go to Jacksonville, Florida, so let's keep those, we had to work on that on the schedule. We wanted to bring you some new information. I made a video a few years ago that most of our host facilities had only 9-foot tables. You know, the game has changed over the past few years, and as Chris was mentioning a minute ago, many of your leagues and many of the host facilities are switching over to 7-foot tables. The great thing is, for the clinic, it doesn't matter. For what we teach in this clinic, you could be on a 3-foot table or a 15-foot table. Chris was instrumental in signing up this host location, and Chris, you used to live here in Jacksonville, I believe.
Correct.
Can you say a word or two about Rackham?
Well, Rackham here in Jacksonville, North Carolina has been an established pool hall for many years in the area. They have, as Eddie alluded to, they have 8-foot, 9-foot, and 7-foot tables, and they take great care of them as well. So it's a great place for pool players and for pool enthusiasts to come and experience and using good equipment that's well taken care of. And they also take care of your tips, your shafts, and sell equipment as well. So it's a well-rounded facility for anybody who wants to come in and hit some balls.
Well, we're excited to be here, and they're excited to have us, so we will be coming back to Jacksonville, North Carolina on a regular basis. Also have another new host facility near Charlotte, I believe, and Keith was instrumental in signing up those folks.
It's a small room just outside of Spartanburg in Inman, South Carolina, called Action Billiards. Obviously, it's close to Greenville, Spartanburg, and a little over an hour drive from Charlotte. I believe they have 2 9-foot tables and 9 7-foot tables, and as Eddie said, it really doesn't matter. We can work really well on a 7-foot table. We're looking forward to that new venue, and we will continue to investigate other places that we can go so we can find some more students a little bit more convenient to them moving forward.
Okay, and we'll get back to you with a new video anytime we put on a new host facility. Thanks for watching. Take care.